Hello guys, welcome back to our fifth CSS tutorial video. In this video we are going to be discussing about CSS border. Now CSS border, the properties allows you to specify the style, the width and the color of an element border. Okay, now we are going to check that in the jiffy. Now each element, I never told you this in CSS class, but I discussed this in HTML. I told you every element, every um, HTML element is surrounded by a border. Okay, but that border is actually invisible. You cannot see them except you specify the width or the color, or you specify the border to show up, or kind of. Okay, now you try to define the border, okay, and giving it a width. Do you understand? So I'm gonna really show you that in a moment. Okay, now the border style properties specify what kind of border to display. Now we are gonna check that out. Now you've never seen me do. Okay, let me see. Let's check this out. And I'm gonna delete some of this. Okay, okay. Let me stop here. Let me delete this one. Okay. Now let's say, now you've been seeing me do something like this. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Okay, let's check it out. P, we are gonna select the element P, sorry. P border solid, sorry, 1 pixel solid, 1 pixel, that's a width, and 1 pixel solid green. I'm using a short and style. Sorry, it's really crazy. 1 pixel solid green. Okay, now let's check that out. You see all the P element will be, what the fuck, what is really wrong with me? Am I drunk? Sorry about that. Anyway, it happens. Okay, you've seen this. Now all the P element is surrounded by border. By that, this is what is surrounding all elements. Okay, now you can see I define the size of the border, and the type of the border, if it's solid, if it's dotted, and the color of the border. Okay, that's what we'll be checking out in a moment. Now the border style is either solid or dotted or dashed or whatever. Okay, now let's check this out. Border style, border style, border style. Let's just say solid. Okay, now let's change it to maybe dashed or dotted. Okay, now let's change it to dashed. Okay, you've seen that. Let's also change it to probably double. We have lots of them. We are going to check them out one by one anyway. You see double border. Let's check groove. Okay, now you're gonna see this groove. You've seen this. Now it's different. It's like it's come up a bit. Okay, now let's check reach. Okay, Now mm, is like there's no much difference actually, but that's different. Okay, let's check insets. Okay, um you've seen that. Now let's check outset. I'm giving you examples of that, but the ones we often use mostly is just um solid and dotted. Now let's check. We also have hidden is not going to show nothing. We also have none too, it's not going to show. Okay, we also have um a mixed style of writing this. You can just say probably dotted dash solid double. Okay, let's check that out. Dotted dashed solid and double. Let's see what's gonna show up, what's gonna come up. Okay, you see, we have dotted, we have dash, we have solid, and we have double. Okay, now to tell you, the first one, the dot, it will be dotted according to how you define this. Dotted first, the top one will be dotted. Dashed, the right one will be dashed, and solid, the bottom one is gonna be solid, then double is gonna be on the left. So you can change them. Let's say solid um, dotted, just like that. You can change them. It's gonna really okay. You've seen that. Okay, now there's another one we call border width. Now you saw me wrote 1 pixel in my shorthand. That's the width of the border. Okay, as a size, the width. Now let's check that out. Now if we have dotted here, let's use solid here and see how it's gonna look like. Okay, now let's specify width. Let's define border width. Border width. Let's say 1 pixel. Okay, now you're seeing it's 1 pixel now. Okay, let's change it to 5 pixel. Okay, you can see that. Now if we have dotted here or dashed, my time please. Okay, I see I have time. Dashed. Okay, you've seen that. So that's how we can specify width and styles. Okay, all right. Now we can also do this. Let's say medium, the width medium. Medium width. Okay, you've seen that. Okay, let's do this. Let's check another way we can give different or mixed width to it. Let's say 2 pixel and 5 pixel. Now the top and the right is gonna be 2, and the bottom and the left will be 5. Sorry, the top and the bottom actually will be 2, and the right and the left will be. So let's use for this for top, this is for bottom, and this should be for right. So this is for top, right, bottom, and pixel, and left. Let's say 7 pixel. Okay, now let's check that out. Okay, you can see top is 2, right is 5, bottom is 10, and left here is 7. Check that out. Okay, all right. Now we also have border color properties, and it's used to set the color of the fore border. Now you can use the X value, you can use the RGB value, you can also specify it with name. Now the border color is just like this. Border color. Let me use just one value, 5 pixel. All of them will be one. Will have the same color. Now let me use solid here. Okay. Now border color. Border color. Border color. Let's use green. My battery. I'm gonna finish this actually. Okay, green. You've seen that. It's just as simple as that. So you can also specify each of the border to have different colors, like what we did. Now you can say green for the top, and red for the right, and blue for the bottom, and yellow for the left. Okay, you've seen that. It's just as simple as that. Okay, now let's check this out. Next one will be shorthand property. Shorthand property or shorthand property. Now we are going to specify this in shorthand: border style, border width, border color. How are you going to do that? You're just going to write border 5 pixel solid green. Very simple. Okay, that's cool. You seen that? It worked out. Okay, now you've seen how you can add border style and border width, border colors to your border. Just as simple as that. Okay, this is where we're gonna end our video tutorial for today for border. Okay, now please like and subscribe to my post. Please, if you have any question, post it on the comment section. I'll always get back to you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.